Version 1.0 of Ace Combat 6 Recompiled has been released. Now the missile trails are working, the game runs at 60 FPS, duplicated cutscene audio has been fixed, you can increase the resolution, and other graphical issues have been fixed as well. And most importantly, the installation is much easier now, and this is what we're gonna get through in this video. If you are planning to buy on Amazon, please use my affiliate link below in the description. Any product on the website will count and you will be directly supporting the channel. Over at the Ace Combat 6 Recompiled GitHub page, you can find this at the comment section of this video. You're gonna see what is the latest release. At the moment that I'm recording this, it's version 1.0, of course. So you're gonna click on Assets and you're going to download this file, a6recompbeta.zip. You're gonna need to extract this file, so you can just right click on it, select extract all, you can put it on the same location, extract, and there you go. You can delete the original file, we're not gonna need this anymore. And when you double click on the folder, you're going to have a single file in here. Now for the installation, all you have to do is take your Ace Combat 6 ISO, and you're going to drag this into the Ace Combat 6 Recomp folder. Now all you have to do is double click on the Ace Combat 6 Recomp file for the game to start. To go full screen, press F11 on your keyboard. And also, the recomp settings are also accessed by pressing F4 on your keyboard, like before. If you have the flickering clouds issue in your game, you can fix that by typing here ace6_effect mode fix. This one, you're gonna go in here and just check this box. And to increase the game resolution, you're going to type resolution, and it is this option here, resolution scale. By default, the game runs at 720p resolution, even if this one says 1080p. This is just the display resolution, but the actual game resolution is this one. So if you want to play the game at 1440p, you change this to 2, and 4K, change this to 3. But of course, you need a good GPU if you want to increase the resolution scale. Don't forget to click on Save to Config if you change any of these settings I just showed you. Now for installing DLC, the method is also really easy. Here on the Recomp folder, you're going to click anywhere with the right button, select New Folder, and you're going to name this DLC. Now all you have to do is take your DLC file, and you're just going to drag it into this folder, and there you go. Next time you start the game, the DLC is gonna be in there. I'll also drop a link at the comment section of the Discord server where this project is maintained. So if you're looking for specific help, you can talk with the devs there, or if you just want to keep up with the updates of this Recompiled project. I have many tutorial videos like this on the channel, so if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on this video, and check out my other stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.